come join me for a day of cleaning, washing, and if you stay long enough, you get a bonus of me possibly getting a concussion. So stay tuned. Come join me. Good morning. Welcome to your second bloom. I'm Emily, and this channel is mainly for older people, I think, who need a little boost and to know that just because you're older, you don't stop blooming. You can bloom again. So I love putting my house back in order. Well, for me, it makes me calmer, happier, and I can do then a lot more blooming in other ways rather than sitting in a dirty, messy house. So if this sounds like a nice thing to do, then you can come join me. Would love that. And let's go clean a house now. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. had a wonderful day of cleaning with you, and I hope you enjoyed, but now it gets really ridiculous. I do not pay attention to things. I'm concentrating, but I did get the living room cleaned and the floor swept, and it's satisfying. And now I'm trying to stoke the fire, and I love when I can get it going. I am the best at this for some reason. Out of my entire family, I am the one that can get a giant fire going. Okay, and now am I scaring anybody else by picking up logs? I'm scaring myself. But there we go, and now I am rewarding myself by sitting by the fire. I hope you enjoyed the time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.